all know the struggle of finding a car that ticks all the boxes. Good performance, safety that won't break the bank on insurance, and reliability that won't leave you stranded on the side of the road when you're already fashionably late for prom. But fear not, for we have scoured the roads, sifted through the options, and compiled a list that should satisfy even the most discerning drivers. Join us as we unveil a lineup that's bound to get your heart racing, your wallet smiling, and your friends asking, "Where did you find that sweet ride?" From sleek coupes to practical sedans, we've got something for everyone. And even if you're not a student, trust us, this list will have you dreaming of the open road and the wind in your hair. Welcome, fellow students and car enthusiasts, to a video that's about to shift your gears and change the way you see affordable first cars forever. Whether you're a student on a tight budget or simply a thrill seeker in search for the perfect ride, this video from Car Computer Exchange has something special just for you. Picture this: sleek designs, adrenaline-pumping performance, safety features that won't cost you an arm and a leg to insure, and reliability to ensure you're never late picking up your date for prom. Yes, we've heard your countless requests, and today we're bringing you the definitive list of the top affordable first cars for students, all under $5,000. But here's the twist, my friends. This video isn't just for students. Even if you're not hitting the books or cramming for exams, these incredible budget-friendly rides will make you nostalgic for those unforgettable college days or simply remind you of the excitement that comes with owning your very first car. So, whether you're a freshman or a seasoned road warrior, get ready to be blown away by the hidden gems and surprising choices that will have you itching to get behind the wheel. We're about to reveal the perfect balance of style, performance, and affordability, ensuring you'll arrive at every destination in both comfort and envy-inducing flair. The Infiniti G35. Practicality meets performance. Buckle up, my friends, because we're about to introduce you to a car that's cooler than the other side of the pillow. The Infiniti G35. It's like the stylish cousin of the popular Nissan 350Z, but with a practical twist. Who needs a cramped two-seater when you can roll in style with 4 seats? The G35 brings a touch of luxury to the table, with lower insurance rates and a higher safety rating. It's like the James Bond of affordable first cars, ensuring you look suave while keeping you safe. And did we mention the rear-wheel drive and 300 horsepower? This car is the perfect recipe for a thrilling joyride. Oh, and the manual transmission option? It's like shaking hands with driving perfection. But wait, there's more. Add an aftermarket exhaust to the mix and you've got an engine sound that will turn heads and make you feel like you're in a Hollywood blockbuster. The Infiniti G35 is the embodiment of practicality and performance, delivering the best of both worlds. Honda Civic SI, revving up reliability. Listen up, fellow enthusiasts, because we're about to dive into the legend of legends, the Honda Civic SI. This mighty machine has earned its stripes as the go-to affordable performance car. What's its secret? Well, let's start with the VTEC engine. It's like an orchestra of power, revving up your excitement with every push of the pedal. Couple that with a 6-speed manual transmission and you've got a recipe for pure driving nirvana. And hey, let's not forget the limited slip differential, because when you need maximum power for both wheels, it's got your back. Now, some might say that the Civic SI isn't as comfortable as its Volkswagen GTI rival. But let's be real here. Who needs comfort when you're busy hugging corners, feeling the rush of adrenaline, and making heads turn? Embrace the racer stigma, my friends, because the Civic SI delivers the perfect combination of value and reliability. It's the kind of car that will have you grinning like a Cheshire cat every time you hit the road. Hey there, fellow gearheads! We're halfway through this wild journey of finding the perfect affordable first cars for students under $5,000. But hey, we need a pit stop for a hilarious question. If these cars were characters in a racing movie, which one would be the hero, the villain, and the comic relief? Go ahead and let your imagination take the wheel. and drop your answers in the comments below. We can't wait to see which car gets the award for the most dramatic on-screen performance. Now, let's rev those engines and get back on the road to automotive greatness. Mazda Speed 3. Power and practicality combined. Ladies and gentlemen, brace yourselves for the Mazda Speed 3, a car that's as practical as it is powerful. Picture this: you need more space, but you refuse to sacrifice performance. Enter the Speed 3, a turbocharged beast that's ready to unleash its 2.3-liter engine on the open road. Reliability? Check. Modifications? Check. Improved agility? Double check. This hatchback is like a gymnast on wheels, bending and twisting with precision as you conquer those twisty roads. And let's not forget the rivalry with the Civic SI. It's a tough choice, my friends. Both offer a tantalizing combination of power and affordability. With similar pricing, you'll find yourself torn between the rev-happy nature of the Civic SI and the turbocharged frenzy of the Speed 3. It's like choosing between a double scoop of your favorite ice cream flavors. You really can't go wrong either way. BMW 335i, the torque enthusiast's dream. Hold on tight, because we're about to step into the realm of luxury and performance with the BMW 335i. If you're a torque enthusiast, this car is your dream come true. The N54 engine is like a magician. It has the potential for mind-bending modifications that can unlock jaw-dropping horsepower figures. It's like having a secret power button that unleashes the beast within. Now, we won't sugarcoat it. Reliability can be a concern. But fear not, my fellow speed demons, because with proper care and thorough pre-purchase inspections, you'll be rewarded with an exhilarating driving experience that'll make your heart race faster than a cheetah on a racetrack. And let's not forget the tight-knit BMW community, always ready to offer support and DIY tips. When you own a BMW, you're a part of an exclusive club that embraces the joy of taking matters into your own hands. So, get ready to unleash your inner speed demon and experience the thrill of the BMW 335i. Mazda MX-5 Miata. Affordable fun at its best. The Mazda MX-5 Miata. A timeless classic that's affordable, reliable, and downright fun. If you've ever dreamed of wind in your hair and smiles for miles, this roadster is the answer to your automotive dreams. It's like a pocket-sized adventure waiting to unfold. Whether you opt for the NA or the NB generation, you're in for a treat. But let's be real here. The NB generation is where the party's at. It's like the cooler, more modern sibling of the bunch, with improved features and a refined driving experience. From daily commuting to spirited weekend getaways, the Miata handles it all with grace and style. It's like a dance partner who's always ready to tango with the twists and turns of the open road. And for those of you craving for something extra special, don't miss out on the limited edition Miata T. It's a true gem, a collector's item that will make your heart skip a beat with every twist of the key. So go ahead, put the top down, and feel the wind in your hair, and let the Mazda MX-5 Miata ignite your passion for affordable fun on the road. And that's a wrap, folks. We've taken you on a whirlwind tour of the top affordable first cars for students under $5,000, showcasing some serious automotive gems along the way. From the practicality meets performance of the Infiniti G35 to the rev-happy reliability of the Honda Civic SI, we've covered it all. But hey, this is just the tip of the iceberg. If you want to keep fueling your passion for all things automotive, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. By subscribing to Car Computer Exchange, you'll join our ever-growing community of car enthusiasts, gain early access to our latest videos, and never miss out on the exhilarating journey of automotive excitement. So go ahead, don't be shy, and let's continue this ride together. Stay ideal, stay tuned, and until next time, keep living that automotive dream.